Mas maniwalat kayo hindi guys, one of the reasons I believe kung bakit madali ako mag-manifest or I have success in manifesting things that I really want is because of the incense sticks. So paano ko ba siya ginagamit o paano ko ba siya ginagawa? Every day, I burn incense sticks in the morning. 3 po kagad sila. So in the morning, I am burning 3 incense sticks para i-manifest ko or i-send ko yung intentions ko every day. So that is usually from Monday to Friday. So weekdays po siya. Pagdating naman ng after lunch, so basically around 1, 2, or 3 p.m., ang sinisindihan ko naman po is 1 incense sticks na lang po. It's like I'm sending gratitude to the universe na I'm thanking them for all the intentions or for all the prayers na ginagrant nila sa akin. So pagdating naman ng weekends, what I do usually is nagsisindi na po ako ng